Next, we move on to specification number 3, which asks us to describe the roles of the hypothalamus and temperature receptors in the skin in maintaining a constant internal body temperature in mammals. The hypothalamus is a region in the brain that acts as the body's temperature control center. It is crucial for monitoring and regulating internal body temperature. Temperature receptors in the skin detect changes in external temperature and send this information to the hypothalamus. Based on these signals, the hypothalamus coordinates appropriate responses, such as triggering vasodilation, vasoconstriction, sweating, or shivering, to maintain a stable internal temperature and ensure optimal conditions for enzyme activity and metabolic processes in mammals. The hypothalamus is a part of the forebrain, located at the base of the brain just above the pituitary gland, and it functions as the body's temperature control center. It contains thermoreceptors that monitor the temperature of the blood flowing through the brain and compare it with the normal set point of around 37 degrees Celsius. When blood temperature deviates from this set point, the hypothalamus coordinates appropriate responses by sending nerve signals to effectors such as sweat glands, blood vessels, and muscles. In addition, temperature receptors in the skin detect changes in the external environment and send sensory nerve impulses to the hypothalamus. This information allows the body to react early to temperature fluctuations, such as promoting heat loss when it is hot or conserving heat when it is cold. Together, the hypothalamus and skin temperature receptors form a negative feedback system that continuously works to maintain a stable internal body temperature in mammals. Control of body temperature is managed by the hypothalamus in the brain, which acts as the central temperature regulator. It contains thermoreceptors that monitor the temperature of the blood, while additional thermoreceptors in the skin detect changes in the external environment. Sensory neurons transmit this information to the hypothalamus, which then sends motor impulses to effectors in the skin, such as sweat glands, blood vessels, and muscles. This coordinated system keeps the body temperature stable within a narrow range around 37 degrees Celsius.